Hey guys, so I just recorded. Welcome to my series of solving LeetCode problems. Unfortunately, I think I double pressed the record button and it stopped recording. So I recorded the whole video and then it wasn't recorded. So I was just talking to no one. Okay, so I'm just going to do this all over again. Let's go. I'm solving the +1 problem, which is pretty simple. Trust me, I did this so fast. Actually, let's just do 1, 2, 3. It's 1, 2, 4. I think that was the example. And yeah, I'll just read the problem quickly. This is super simple. So let's say you want to do a calculator that you just want to add 1 to a number, to an integer, and you want to get the result. But instead of getting a number and you need to add 1 to it, you get a list of integers which are the digits of the number. So instead of 123, you get 123. And the output should be 124. Okay, yeah, this is pretty simple. So what you do is you iterate backwards the array. So you start with uh, the last element, and you add 1 to it. And here it is, 4. But if this is a 9, you need to convert it into a 0, and you need to turn this one into a 3. That's it. The tricky part is when this one, let's say you have something like 999, then you want to go for 1000. So you pretty much need to know if you reach the end, and you just converted things to 0. So what you do is you iterate for index in range, and you go from the length of digits all the way to 0 and -1. And what you do here is you go backwards. I'm just going to print the index, so you guys can see what it's actually doing. And it prints 3, 2, 1. This is not what we want. We want 2, 1, 0. So it needs to be -1, -1. So yeah, 2, 1, 0. Cool. So if digits of index equals 9, then actually different than 9, we just do this plus equals 1 and we break. And that's it, that's done. And then we just return digits. However, if it is 9, then we need to convert it to 0. So digits of index equals 0. And there's one thing that is the else on a for loop. So basically, this piece of code here only runs if the for loop is not broken anytime. So if this never happens, this never runs. So why does this matter in this case? Because in the case of 999, it will just convert to zeros and it will never break. So if we know that it would never broke, it means that there's a 1 to the left that needs to be added. So we just return 1 plus digits, which creates the array which basically concatenates the arrays. And yeah, I'm going to run it. Yeah, it works. Well, did better than before and a little bit worse than before in memory. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Any questions, just hit me up in the comment section.